Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to SIM unlock an iPhone XR. I believe originally is from T-Mobile. I'm not sure, but I'm using the Specteum card, which is Verizon network. So I'm going to put it in. And this iPhone is running iOS 15 beta testing 5. For obvious reasons, I'm testing the codes to make sure everything is working. So I'm going to hit dismiss. Let's give him a signal, as you can see, but it doesn't mean anything. I'm gonna put my passcode. I'm gonna hit completed. And I'm just waiting for the SIM not supported. I'm gonna take out my Spectrum SIM card. I'm gonna grab my Gevey Pro. Comes in one piece, as you can see. One piece together, and you can cut it in half if you're gonna need it for an iPhone 7 to X. If you need it for the XS all the way to the 12 Pro, you need a one piece. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside, and then what I'm going to do real quick, a little bit different. I'm gonna show you how to get the ICC ID. Just gonna go really quick to beta. I'm sorry, ICC ID, beta. I'm gonna click on it, and you're gonna the first option that it says beta download code MOBI, that's the one. And all the active ICC IDs that are alive or working are here. You have a list. You had a whole list, and the one I'm using right now, it is ending 3656. That's the one I'm using right now, but it's like I said, it's a whole list. You might need to go to every single one, but the one is working for me, it is ending 3656. So you're gonna hit on it and copy. There you go, that's been copied. One more thing I need to tell you, this iPhone, it is an iOS 15 beta 5 testing. Like I said before, for obvious reasons. iPhone XR iOS 15. Okay, but this works on iOS 14.7.1 as well. So I already copied my ICC ID. Now I'm gonna grab my Gevey Pro, one piece. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna flip it over, and the flapper, the one that says Pro, sits on the bottom of your SIM tray, just like this. I'm gonna put my Spectrum SIM card, and then I'm gonna go back. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna go back to my to the ICC working, to the website that I showed you before, and just to double check, 3656. Click on it, copy. Close everything, and I'm gonna put in my Gevey Pro, dismiss, and the menu is gonna come out. In this case, we are gonna select the edit ICC ID. That's the menu that I got right now, or the ICC ID on the Gevey Pro. I'm gonna delete it, and then I'm gonna paste the one that I got. I'll go back here. Edit, and it didn't copy correctly, but I'm gonna go for the last four. The last four, it is 5149. I'm gonna do the last four, and I'm gonna type 3656. That was the last ICC ID that I copied, but it didn't copy correctly, but everything is the same except the last four numbers. And then I'll go back, and then I'm just gonna hit send. And then I'm gonna hit accept. I'm just gonna wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, I'm gonna swipe up to my code. And as you can see, it says iOS 15, continue. There you go. So in this case, it's asking me for the iCloud for my Apple ID and password. In this case, I use the unlock with code. Click on the blue option, use device passcode, and you're gonna put your passcode to unlock your iPhone. It's gonna ask you to do it 3 times. Okay, this is the last time. There you go, guys. My iPhone has been unlocked. Let me make a test call real quick.
Welcome to Spectrum Mobile. This call may be recorded.
Spectrum Mobile. So my phone has been unlocked. General, about, iPhone XR, iOS 15. And let me take out the Wi-Fi. Let me do a speed test real quick. So this is Spectrum Mobile. This is on Verizon network. It's giving me 1 gig of upload and 2 download. It is based on my area. I live outside San Antonio. It's not too bad. It's not too great, but at least it's working. So that's it. That's how I do it, guys. Hope you like it. Like it and subscribe. Later.